Now the case against accused child killer Casey Anthony.
And this one's an exclusive. Her attorney wants a judge to remove state prosecutors from the case entirely.
In fact, he wants the Attorney General's office to take over completely. That bombshell, not the only thing that's cooking tonight on this one. Holly Bristow is live at the courthouse with the details you will see only on Fox. And Holly, this is a pretty big deal.
This is a pretty big deal, and this motion came down literally as the courthouse doors were closing this afternoon. As you can see here, it's an emergency motion to recuse. Now, Casey Anthony's attorney, Jose Baez, is claiming that the prosecutors on this case anonymously filed complaints against him with the Florida Bar Association. He feels that they're trying to get him thrown off the case. He says that that's impeding with his client's Sixth Amendment right to counsel of choice. Therefore, he is now asking the judge to let the state attorney general decide who will ultimately try the case against his client. Another motion filed today. Jose Baez is asking that his client not have to appear in court on Friday, contrary to what the judge said last week. 2 weeks ago, Casey Anthony made her first trip out of jail since her arrest on murder charges in late October. It came unexpectedly. Shortly after her attorney Jose Baez said his client waived her right to be in court, the judge stopped the hearing and demanded Casey Anthony be brought in so he could hear for himself that she did not want to be in his courtroom. Then last week, the judge sent down this order, ordering the defendant Casey Anthony attend all future court proceedings. She may elect not to attend mere schedule and trial status hearings. Today, a new motion from Jose Baez objecting to the judge's order, saying Casey's presence, quote, only fuels the circus-like atmosphere which paints the defendant in a negative light, end quote. Baez claims that following court appearances, the media is too focused on Casey's appearance and, quote, have generated unsubstantiated rumors regarding the defendant's physical condition. He also argues that the constant negative exposure takes away Casey's right to due process, a fair trial, and her ability to seat a fair and impartial jury. Yesterday, Casey Anthony printed her name, signed her signature, saying she waives her right to appear at Friday's pretrial discovery motion. Problem is, Friday's court date is for a motions hearing, where a judge will be making decisions directly related to her case. Now, Judge Stan Strickland has not yet decided if he will let Casey Anthony miss Friday's court date. One thing I do want to note is that this emergency motion to recuse did come in so late in the day, it probably has not even crossed the judge's desk yet. I tried calling the state attorney's office, but they were all gone for the day as well, so we have not been able to get any comments from them regarding these accusations made against them. Reporting live at the courthouse, Holly Bristow, Fox 35 News.
Holly, thanks. There are several items on the docket Friday in the Casey Anthony case. First up, the judge will hear a motion by the defense to inspect the scene where Kaylee's body was found. The judge also looking into whether attorney-client privilege was violated when Orange County investigators questioned private investigator Dominic Casey. There are questions as to how the defense witness list was actually put together, and it's possible a date for Casey Anthony's trial could be set.